Create a new canvas. Click on Create Now button. We use A4 size canvas. Canvas is ready to work. Click on Adjustment icon. And click on a solid color. I'll choose a black color and you can choose any color what you want. Click on Text tool. And type what you want. I just typed. Unbelievable. I will duplicate the text layer, and I'll put the duplicated layer down. And again I'll duplicate the layer. And also put it down. Third time I'll do again this process. Select the all text layer. And merge all. Hide the all text layer. I will edit the merge layer by Liquify plugin for giving the liquid effect. And click OK. Duplicate the merge layer and apply motion blur effect and decrease the value off 31. Take solid color adjustment and choose color what you want. And create a clipping mask. Select both layer and merge.
Fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love.
Apply some noise effect. Increase the amount 23. And effect is ready. If you found this video informative, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. And share the video with your friends.